Hey my pretty roses, what's up, what's going on? Yes, I look like, you know, like I woke up. Yes, today I wanted to do a video, basically just a, I don't know if you could say spa or wash day, everything combined. So, don't show my info, I got a package for Nzuribodyessentials, and they reached out to me, and it's a product, I don't know what it is. She told me she was gonna send some products, and I know they're body related, so I thought it'd be a perfect time to include them in this video. So let's open it up. I don't want to turn it this way because, you know, my information, I know a lot of scammers. Alright, let's open up. And this is really pretty gold, rose gold, and I'm like all for rose gold. And it's bubble wrap packaging. Alright. Oh, this is cute. Their little bag. You can smell everything in it. You smell good in this bag. Okay, just wrapping paper. And it said, alright, it says
Nzuribodyessentials, luxury bath and body. Says, Cache, thank you for reviewing our products. We are sending our citrus, Mimosa, exfoliating body polish, and our vanilla lavender body soufflé. Enjoy, Andrea and Brittany.
Oh, thank you guys. This is the first time some people send me something, and I'm really happy. This is really cute, and they're a mother and daughter duo, and they're doing their thing. This is the citrus mimosa exfoliating body polish. That smells really good. And then this is the vanilla lavender body soufflé. Damn, this is thick. I literally, Jesus. It smells really good, and this is dope. Damn, I didn't even mean to take that. It's so thick. So I'm gonna include these into my body scrubbing time. So let's go. Okay, so we in the shower now. I'm just rinsing my hair, getting it nice and wet, you know. I like that. Come on. All right, and yes, I'm going in with the Nexxus. I hope I'm saying that right. Shampoo is for a keratin treatment, just to straighten my hair, because I don't really shampoo every day. I mean, every other day. I mostly shampoo like every 3 weeks. I co-wash most of the time. And I actually just started shampooing again, because I had gave up shampoo for like the last 2 years just to help my scalp. And I always just focus on the top half of my head. I focus on the scalp, not my roots, because I focus the conditioner on the roots. Just so, you know, I understand what's getting clean and my roots are not getting dried out. Next, I'm gonna start parting my hair, because this is how I detangle and condition my hair. And as I condition my hair, the way I detangle is first I go through finger detangling, and then I go through with a comb just to make sure I got out all the knots. I think that's the best way to really detangle your hair. And now I'm just continuing to do that to all 4 parts. That did hurt. That's what happens when you go too high up and not detangle the ends. Okay, next I'm going in with the scrub and my loofah that I got from fabfitfun. And this scrub that Nzuri, I hope I'm saying that right, Nzuri had sent me is really good. I actually ended up switching to my body scrub from Vanity Planet because I really want you guys to see the shine in this. Because my scrub, my loofah has like soap already built in. So just look at that shine, girl. Look at that. Like that oil really, my skin is glowing. Like you can see. Next, I'm going in with the soap I got from the Slut Box. If you haven't seen that video, go click on that video. And I'm just going in soaping and lathering myself up with the Vanity Planet scrub. And now I'm going in with the African Black Soap facial and cleansing, facial wash and scrub. My bad. And now I'm just going through my face with my again with the Vanity Planet facial brush. Jesus. And I'm just rinsing it out. And a little bit shaving, shave. Since this is, I just get ready all through wash day. Now I'm washing the conditioner that has sat in my hair. I think it was sitting in my hair for about a good 15 minutes. So now I'm just washing it out. I have a little bit of under boob showing, but that's perfectly fine. Okay, now that is all washed out, I am ready for the next phase. Next, I'm going in with the main choice, deep strengthening mask, carrot. Yes, it's carrot and green tea. The carrot and green tea main choice mask. And I'm just going through that all through my hair just like I parted it when I was in the shower. And I'm really making sure I'm coating my ends. I'm not focusing on my scalp. I'm coating my ends because that's what you're really trying to hydrate. Yo, look at my skin. My face is glowing. Ray. Yes, and now you can see, like, just by lifting the tingling and the detangling that I already did in the shower, like, just putting in the deep conditioning mask is just easy peasy lemon squeezy. Next, I'm going in with the Artistry Deep Cleansing Mask. And I'm just going to put that all over my face. This is actually a really good mask. Like, it's getting in there. Like, I make sure I put that on just to, I don't get a lot of acne. I don't get a lot of acne to begin with, but that helps. This is the Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask. And I'm just going to keep this in for about 30 minutes to an hour. Alright guys, so while this is still setting, I still have like 15 more minutes. I'm gonna go in with the, I hope I'm saying this right, but Nzuribodyessential Vanilla Lavender Body Soufflé. So it's this triple whip, fancy. Vanilla Lavender Body Soufflé soothes and protects and calms dry, chapped, troubled skin. And this buttery rich yet non-greasy cream lightly glides, sleeping deeper into the skin for rough spots needed extra attention. Okay. So thick, like thick, dumb thick. Thick with 2 C's and thicker than me. Like, alright, so let's see. It's just basically, I just want to see the consistency. This is really thick. I don't know. I just want to see how my arm. Jesus. Okay. Jesus. All right. Cause like I have really dry skin. I have like eczema. You can see like on my neck. If the camera lets you see it. But I have eczema like mostly all over my body. It used to be on my face, and I worked hard to get rid of it. But on my body skin is really dry. And this is, I need to buy this for the winter. Cause this is winter time. Jesus, like I didn't even put a lot. Usually I have to put a lot of lotion on just to make it shine like this. Because my body will just say, oh, thank God, and just absorb it, and it's just gone, and I'm dry again. This went a long way. And it doesn't, like, it's thick. It has a little tacky feeling, but it's like, it feels more like a barrier, like nobody can get through you. Like, look, I should have compared my eyes. I'll be back when I wash this off and then ready to take this out my hair, right?
Okay, so the 30 minutes is up and I'm just rinsing off them. Actually, the hour is up also, so I'm going to rinse out my hair. I'm just making sure I actually rinse out everything, you know, rub the remaining in my scalp, you know, just making sure I get the benefits out of this mask. Yes, I have a little bit of shedding. Shedding's okay. It doesn't mean your hair is awful. Okay, after I wash my hair, now I'm just taking a t-shirt, and just wrapping around. I feel like t-shirts absorb and not give you a lot of frizz, like so. Okay, now I'm going in with the James Carter curl mist all over me. Mist over me, my bad. And the Curls Go Elongated Gel. I did lose a couple of the footage of me just starting because my phone I got a phone call and it interrupted my video. Yes, girl, look at that. Look at that. If you don't use a Demin Brush, girl, you missing out, because that's how you get your curls to really finger detangling and Demin Brush. And you want to go piece by piece when you're using the Demin Brush. Don't just brush it over your head. You're gonna pull your whole hair. Okay, now I'm just separating, and I'm just through the front of my hair just to make sure my curls aren't coming through. And I'm taking the miracle oil on my face. Yes, if you're trying to figure out why my face is always just on point, miracle oil. Use miracle oil and a good moisturizer for your face. And that's about it, guys. Just like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Until then, I'll see you later.